Hey, Swami Vishwanand, I am appointed by God as Mother of the world. Every day, God is calling us, some spiritual souls, at the house of the God, and every day, God is teaching us excellent lessons and order, instruct us to convey some messages daily basis. So today, early in the morning, we learn this lesson, and God has instructed that to convey this excellent message for benefit of entire human beings. Today we will understand very important issues which are seen around entire the world. Uh, what are main reasons for wars, terrorism, riots, fightings, divisions of countries, and extend countries' boundaries illegally in other countries' areas? Many painful problems in this beautiful world, and their solutions we can get understand from the message of God as under. Reasons for war. First we will see what are the reasons for war, and then solution. Ego in excess ambitions for ruling over more and more countries by wrong ways and with wrong practices always lead to world wars and wars among country to countries. Sometimes some countries rulers tries to extend their boundaries by illegal ways. These are reasons for war. Now, what are the solutions for war? Knowledge of souls and relationship with God will give understanding that God is great, our parents. We are just a small living beings in this wide and beautiful world. Anybody can rule over entire world by loving, taking care, giving safety to all beautiful creations in entire world without any losses economically and physically. Second, what are the reasons for terrorism? Terrorism comes from evil minds, excess demands and wishes for getting materialistic things, comforts, facilities through wrong ways. Such people works and try to obtain above things. Some wrong religion leaders are teaching wrong teachings to their followers that our religion is best than other religions. Our religion must spread in entire world, and then we will rule over entire world. So such misguided people are trying to killing other religions, innocent people. Solutions of terrorism. People can wash their evil mind's thoughts by remembrance of God's lovely name in their hearts. People can decrease their some materialistic comforts, facilities, demands in their mind and heart. When people will understand real knowledge that God is loving all His creations without any discriminations. So all people must love and regard to all God's creations and people and all religions too. For ruling and spread their religions can spread by love, not by weapons. What are the reasons for riots? Majority riots played for revenge feelings and so about their religion is superior than others. Sometimes rulers make discriminations on the basis of caste, creed, colors, religions, make causes for riots among society's people. Solution of riots. If people will understand that all religions are giving same messages of love, that entire mankind must be good and do good works in societies. Rulers must rule and treat equally to all people without any discriminations. Then riots may not seen in societies. Reasons for fighting among people. Fighting among people of societies may occur mainly characterless, corruptions, exploitations, moral down values in people of societies. Solution of fightings. Spiritual leaders must build sound characters and increase moral values. Implants God's name, God's love for all creations too. Self-satisfaction's value and importance, hard work, income generated by people's own mind power, own knowledge, and knowledgeful hard work. Then corruption and fightings may control. People must treat workers, our family members, care and fulfill their all requirements without any exploitations. Above all, good deeds can control fighting among people of societies. What are the reasons for division of countries and extend boundaries by illegal ways? Ego and more wishes of ruling over own many people and countries are main reasons for division of countries and extend countries' boundaries illegally on other countries' areas. Solution of divisions of countries and extend boundaries by illegal ways. If rulers learn, understand feels values of love, then ego will be down and they can love on entire humanity. Then automatically such rulers can rule over entire humanity without any loss of economy and loss of lives. If rulers understand that entire beautiful world has created by God without any marking of boundaries on earth, it means all countries people must enjoy boundaryless beautiful world. So such understanding can control some countries are extending their boundaries illegal ways in other countries areas. Today this beautiful message came from house of the God and I am just conveying this beautiful message for benefit of entire human beings and pleasureful life for all living beings in the world. You can share your noble experiences, noble ideas, noble thoughts and noble techniques. I will seek your experience and I will spread your noble experience in each and every corner of the world. So you can share on my WhatsApp number is as per India code +91 9898375375 as per India code +91 9898375375. God bless. We will meet from time to time. God bless. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.